to the channel. This evening is not going to plan in our household. We have got some beautiful comfort food. Unfortunately, my son's got shingles, so he's not feeling great, and I want to make something really super yummy and very autumnal. It's been raining all day here in Essex. It's wet, it's dreary and miserable already. That weather really has turned. So tonight's recipe is one I think you're gonna really like because it's simple, easy. Kids are gonna enjoy this as well. It's my sticky cider onion hot dogs, and these are incredible. Let me show you how to make them. I'm going to begin by making the sticky cider onions to go in the hot dogs. You're going to need your Ninja pot on SEAR and saute. And then we want to add around 30 grams of butter in. And along with that, a tablespoon of olive oil. I've got 2 onions here, so let's get those in the pot. And this is going to be enough to serve 4 people. Going to add some salt to those onions as well. So we want to cook these onions down. We don't want them on a high heat. I have got it on the highest SEAR and saute for now, but that is just because I want to start melting the butter, getting things going. Then I'm going to turn it down. I'm going to give these a good 25 minutes, maybe half an hour. Once your onions get to this stage, that's when you want to add in your cider. I've got 100 millilitres here of a dry cider. Let's give those a little stir. We've got a little bit of fizz going on there. I'm now going to turn up the SEAR and saute. I'm on level 4, just for your reference. And the onions, I did those on level 3. We want to bring this up to a simmer, and we want this to reduce down. You can see now that these have really reduced down. We've hardly got any liquid remaining in there. So that has really worked beautifully. The onions are looking so good at this stage. Now I'm going to turn down the SEAR and saute because there is a lot of heat in there. And we're going to add in our next ingredients. So we want a tablespoon of dark brown soft sugar, and also a tablespoon of cider vinegar. You can see how these flavours are going to really balance out and make these onions super delicious for our hot dogs. It really does take a simple hot dog to a new level. Brilliant. These smell absolutely incredible. I'm just going to keep these warm in some foil until I'm ready to use them. And then we can move on to cooking our sausages. I like to air fry my sausages. It's entirely up to you how you cook yours, of course, but I think air fries are a really quick and easy way to do them. So I am pretty much happy with the consistency of these. They are sticky and gooey and really soft and tender. I think they're going to be amazing on our hot dog. So my onions are in foil, staying warm, and I'm now going to put in my air fryer basket containing my sausages, and let's get them onto air fry. I've just finished cooking my sausages. My onions are still lovely and warm because I've had them in foil. I'm just mixing up here some mayonnaise and some Dijon mustard. So you want kind of double the mayo to the Dijon mustard. That's kind of the ratio that I go for. And then I'm going to smother my rolls. I've warmed these up slightly. I'm going to smother those with some of this. Oh yes, this looks good, doesn't it? It looks really good. And then it's really up to you. We like this, and then we also like a little drizzle of ketchup as well. But you do you. You have them exactly as you want them. Adds a nice layer of moisture to your roll. And these are beautiful brioche rolls that I've got here. I've got some potato tots as well that I'm serving with these. So let's grab our sausages. They've been on air fry and they are cooked perfectly. There you go. Now I'm going to serve some of those sticky cider onions on the top. Wow, look at those. So glossy, full of flavour, absolutely delicious. Oh, that cider is so good in these. You're going to absolutely adore these. And then the last thing I do is I give them a drizzle of ketchup. That is one great autumnal dinner. I hope you like it. If you do, please give me a like because it really helps the channel. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new here. This is all made in the Ninja Foodi and it's so quick and easy. I hope to see you next time for another video. Bye for now.